I'll get you one at the end. Gentlemen. Eyes up here, please. Ready to begin. So today we're moving on with adding and subtracting with algebra. So the rules are, when you're doing algebra, you can only add and subtract like terms. What does it mean? Gentlemen, you're listening, please, not talking. What does like terms mean? Well, it means that they have exactly the same letters, the same pronumerals. Okay, if there is a power on the letter, they also have to be the same for them to be like terms. However, it doesn't matter if you change the order. So a 4AB and a 7BA, they both have an A, they both have a B, they've just changed the order, not now. Have to wait. All right, example number 1. Are these like terms? We have 5ABC and minus 8ABC. Do they have exactly the same letters? Yeah. Yes. So yes, they are like terms. Part B, 12xy squared and 4y squared x. Are they like terms?
No. Yes.
Yeah, they are.
Because we don't have the value of
the numbers are different, that's fine. They both have 1x and y squared and y squared. As long as the squared's on the same letter, they are the same. Okay, so yes, they are also like terms. How about a 3ab squared and a 7a squared b? No, because the squared is on the wrong letter, isn't it? This one has a b squared and that one has an a squared. So that is different. No. In question 2, we want to circle all the ones in there that are like terms. So in A, we're looking across this row here. We want like terms to 4m. That means as long as it has 1m and 1m only, no other letters, no less letters, then it is a like term. So m, that's a like term. Minus m, yep, that's still a like term. 5mn, no, because we've got an n in there. Minus 7m, yep, just 1m. And 3m squared, as soon as you put that squared on there, it's not a like term anymore. Good. All right, now let's try the next one. We want the like terms for minus 2mnp. So they have to have all 3 letters, mnp. So the first one is mpn. Let's just change the order, hasn't it? That's still okay. That's a like term. Minus 3nmq.
No.
I didn't have a q to start with, so no, that one doesn't work. 5mnp squared.
No.
Nope, can't put a squared in there. Minus 7pnm. Yes, has all the same letters. So let's circle that one. And m squared np. No, so that's squared. And one more time, we want the like terms of 5a squared b cubed c to the power of 4. Okay, so it has to have, the a has to be the power of 2, the b has to be the power of 3, and the c has to be the power of 4. So in the first one already, you've got an a squared, but the b power is wrong and the c power is wrong. So that one's a no. Minus 3, the c's, no, c squared and the c to the power of 4. You can stop looking, it already doesn't fit. The next one, 5b cubed, yep, the b cube's the same. C4, yes, and a2, yes, they all have the same powers. Oop, get the pen. All right, and the minus 7, a to the power of 4, nope, already wrong. And the last one, 6abc, there's no powers there at all, so that's wrong. So there's only one there that fit. Okay? So that's just a little bit of practice, making sure that you can identify the like terms. And it's good to see that you guys all seem to be able to do it, which is wonderful. Because what we want to do is we want to be able to add and subtract stuff together. And as long as they have those like terms, we can add them. So we look at the question. 7y plus 8y. They both have the same letter. They both have the y. They are like terms. Okay? So all I have to do is add the numbers in the front. 7 plus 8 is 15. Or at least 14. 15. What do I do with the letters when I'm adding? They stay the same, that's right. Okay, it's like saying, what could Y stand for? Yachts? Yo-yos. All right, 7 yo-yos and 8 yo-yos makes 15 yo-yos. They're not yo-yo squares, okay? They're just yo-yos. All right? B, looking for the ones that are like terms. Now, if you have a highlighter, that's going to help you a bit with these questions. So I have 6x. I also have a 3x here, but when you highlight it, you always highlight the plus or the minus sign that is in front as well, because that tells you whether you're adding or subtracting. So those yellow ones that are highlighted there, 6x minus 3x. 6 minus 3 is 3, so that becomes 3 x's. Okay, those ones were like terms. But the y's, oh, let's change highlighter color. The y's, I have an 8y and I have a 7y, and I'm highlighting those plus signs in front as well. An 8, a positive 8, plus another 7 makes 15 y's. Very good. 3x plus 15y, that's the answer. Don't try to add your x's with your y's. Okay, can't do that. Part C, I have 3 mn's. I have 2n, that's different. 5m, that's different. 8nm, that's the same. The order is just different, and that's okay. So, highlighting that symbol in front, 3 plus 8 is 11. 11 mn's. Now, normally if you have two that are different, you put them in alphabetical order, and mn is alphabetical order, okay? L, M, N, no P, okay? Mn. It doesn't matter, though, if you call them nm's. You wouldn't get it wrong, though, okay? Then, the 2 in the middle, I have 2n and minus 5m. They're actually both different. Okay, I can't do anything with them, so I just have to write them down. I have plus 2n, and I have minus 5m. Can't collect them, so I just have to write them down. D, 3a squared b's. Is that a like term to 4ab squared? No, the square's in a different place. What about the 9ab? Doesn't have any squares at all. Are any of them in there like terms? No, they're actually all different. So I should leave it empty, right? No! Don't ever leave a question empty on a test. I think you didn't answer it. If it doesn't simplify it, just write the question down again, okay? So it's going to go equals 3a squared b plus 4ab squared minus 9ab. It can't be simplified, but we know that that is the simplified answer, so we've written it down. Next one, E. 7y squared. Nope, there's no other y squareds there, so that's not going to collect up. 3y and 6y. Yes, they are like terms, so I've highlighted those. A positive 3 plus 6 more. 3 plus 6 makes 9. So 9y. And the minus 3x squared, it's also different. So those other two, we write at the end. So I go plus 7y squared. Okay, I had to put a plus there because I needed a symbol to put there. It's a positive. And I have a minus 3x squared. Okay? And F, minus 2a squared b. Is there any more a squared b's there? No. All right, next one. Minus 44ab squared. Is there any of those? Ooh. Actually, go back to the first one. A squared b's. There is another a squared b. Look. So this one is an... Oh, my diagram's just gone. There it is. Yep. A squared b. That one there is actually an a squared b. It's just ba squared. Same letters, different order. Try to trick us. So, take the symbols in front. I have minus 2 plus, there's no number there. What would it be? 1. Yes. Minus 2 plus 1 is negative 1. You can use your calculator, do the adding subtracting part if you need to with the numbers. When I have a negative 1 in front of some letters, you don't actually need to write the 1. You just write negative a squared b. So that means negative 1 a squared b. Those other two terms in the middle are different, so write them on the end. Minus 44 ab squareds and minus 9a squared. All right, we've got more practice on the next page. Has everyone written that down? Make sure you fill in your booklets. Question 4. Simplify the following by combining like terms. So it's just the same stuff. Okay, is a 2a and a 7a the same?
Yeah.
Like terms? Yes. So 2 plus 7 makes 9 a's. Make sure 9s don't look nice. 9s are tall, a's are short. Okay? B. 15a minus 9a. Are they like terms?
Yeah.
Yes. So 15, take away 9 is 6. 6a. C. If they're all the same, I don't bother highlighting them. If they're all the same, and I just do it, okay? It's only when I've got some that are different that I start highlighting the ones I need to put together. So C. 2x plus 5x plus 4x. Are they all like terms? Yeah. Yes. So just add all the numbers in the front. 2 plus 5 plus 4. Well, 2 plus 5 is 7. 7 plus 4 makes 11 x's. What was that? Okay.
7.
And D, 4m minus m plus 3m. Are they all like terms?
No.
Yes, again. You might want to put a 1 in there for that one to help you. So it's 4 minus 1 is 3 plus another 3 makes 6m. E, 8x plus 3y minus 2x. All right, we have different letters there now. So let's get our highlighters back out. 8x and minus 2x are my x terms. So 8 minus 2 is 6. 6 x's. And the y's are different, so plus 3y. Part F, 6a minus 3b plus 5a plus 4b. So the a's will go together. 6a plus 5a. 6 plus 5 makes 11. 11a. Then we need a different colour because the b's are different. Minus 3b plus 4b. Don't forget this, the plus and minus sign. So it's a minus 3 plus 4. What's that? Minus 3 plus 4. Those lovely negative integer stuff you did last year. Or your calculators. 1, that's right. It's just a 1, which is a 1b. So we don't have to write the 1 though. If it's a 1 and there's a letter there, we just write plus b. G.
If we were 1b though, right?
No, I